Hello guys, we'll do the concise book bio of ICSE. First chapter, Introduction of Biology, Scope and Branches. So what we will do here is science is an organized body of knowledge supported by observation and experimentation. Science is an organized body of knowledge supported by observation से भी supported और experiments भी होते हैं science में. There are three branches of science, namely physics, chemistry and bio. Growth of biology. No one can say when the study of biology exactly began. Primitive man lived in jungles and caves. He collected food from natural vegetation and hunted wild animals. पहले ज़माने में मीन्स प्रिमिटिव मैन में पहले के बंदे जो थे वो जंगल में जाते थे, केव्स में रहते थे और वो अपना फूड कलेक्ट करते थे. किससे? वेजिटेशन से, मीन्स प्लांट्स और वाइल्ड एनिमल से. थ्रू दिस एक्टिविटी ही लर्नड अबाउट द लाइफ एंड हैबिट्स of different animals and recognized various plants and their parts. That was the beginning of bio. अब ये है हमारा डायग्राम. प्रिमिटिव ड्राइंग ऑफ वाइल्ड हॉर्स एंड मैमोथ. ये वाइल्ड हॉर्स है और ये मैमोथ है. सो एरिस्टोटल कौन है? Aristotle was the first person to study animals in sufficient detail, and he is called the father of bio and father of zoology. So sometimes a question comes, who is the father of biology and zoology? So the answer is Aristotle. Theophrastus mainly studied plants and is called the father of botany. Or Hippocrates, father of medicine. Biology has flourished a great deal in ancient India. And for example, Jeevaj means viviparous, animals who give birth to young ones. Jeevaj का मतलब है जो animals young ones को birth देते हैं, जन्म देते हैं. और अंडज जो animals पैदा होते हैं eggs से. Now what we'll study here is scientists are planning to create life, some single-celled bacteria from lifeless material using fatty acid and nucleotides. So scientists plan कर रहे हैं to create life, some single-cell bacteria from किससे? lifeless materials. किससे यूज़ करके वो lifeless मटेरियल से वो बैक्टीरिया बनाएंगे? फैटी एसिड्स एंड न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. एंड ब्रांचेस ऑफ बायो इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू सेवरल ब्रांचेस. और इन द टर्म्स ऑफ मेजर काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बॉटनी, zoology एंड ह्यूमन बायोलॉजी. Botany means study of plants, zoology means study of animals, and human bio means study of humans. And B, in the term of special group of organisms, bacteriology, virology, mycology. Bacteriology means study of bacteria, virology study of viruses, mycology means fungi, study of fungi, phycology, angology means study of algae, entomology study of insects, ecothiology study of fishes, herpetology study of reptiles, ornithology study of birds. फिशेस की स्टडी को इक्थियोलॉजी कहते हैं. ये बीएससी के बाद भी आप कर सकते हो. इंसेक्ट्स का होता है एंटोमोलॉजी. और इन द टर्म्स ऑफ अप्रोच ऑन स्टडिंग इट, एनाटॉमी, morphology, histology, cytology, physiology, embryology, taxonomy, ecology, बायोजियोग्राफी और पैलेंटोलॉजी।
Then
evolution, genetics, parasitology, pathology, eugenics, and biochemistry. So we'll study in details anatomy, the study of gross structure of organs in an organism. As seen in dissection, जब हम dissection करते हैं तो हम study करते हैं, उसे कहते हैं हम anatomy। जब हम डाइसेक्शन करते हैं कोई भी, जैसे कॉकरोच का, फ्रॉग का, रैट का, बर्ड का। मॉर्फोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ फॉर्म एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल। इसमें यही आएगा, एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स को स्टडी कर सकते हैं। प्लांट्स में हम कह सकते हैं हिबिस्कस, रोज़ा, वो मॉर्फोलॉजी मीन्स एक्सटर्नल्स का हमने एक्सटर्नली हम बता सकते हैं। स्टडी विथ स्टडी ऑफ एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स ओनली, एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स से हम ये बता सकते हैं। एनिमल्स का भी जैसे कॉकरोच हो गया, हम एक्सटर्नली हम बता सकते हैं। मॉर्फोलॉजी में स्टडी होती है। हिस्टोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ माइन्यूट स्ट्रक्चर और टाइनी बिट्स ऑफ बॉडी एट टिश्यू लेवल एज सीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपाउंड microscope. Histology, study of minute structure with the help of compound microscope. Same is cytology, study of structure and function of animal and plant cells. Cyto cells. Physiology, the study of metabolism of organism and their parts. Embryology, the study of formation and development of embryo of plants and animals. Taxonomy, the science of naming, grouping and classifying plants and animal. It is called systematics. Ecology, the study of the relationship of organism to both its biotic means living and abiotic non-living environment. Biogeography, the study of geographical distribution of plants and animals. Paleontology, the study of prehistoric forms of life. पैलेंटोलॉजी मतलब प्री हिस्टोरिक से रिलेटेड है, लाइक थ्रू हम फॉसल्स हम पता कर सकते हैं प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के, वो स्टडी होती है पैलेंटोलॉजी। एवोल्यूशन, द स्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड डेसेंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म। स्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिन, कैसे वो ओरिजिन हुआ था, उसका बर्थ हुआ था, कैसे वो स्टार्ट हुआ था। जेनेटिक्स, द स्टडी ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ बॉडी कैरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स टू ऑफस्प्रिंग। ये स्टडी है साइंस की, फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स टू ऑफस्प्रिंग, थ्रू हम ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ बॉडी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पता कर सकते हैं। पैरासिटोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ पैरासाइट्स। पैथोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ डिजीज़ ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, जो डिजीज़ होती है वो पैथोलॉजी में। इम्यूनोलॉजी, द स्टडी, the science that deals with the phenomena and causes of immunity, means resistance to or defense against diseases. Eugenics, the science which aims to improve the human race through controlled heredity. Biochemistry, science, study of chemicals and reaction that takes place inside the living things. Like one of its numerous application is DNA fingerprinting. So this is all made in the diagram. Parasites, fossils, cells, tissues, histology, development, embryology, life processes, physiology, fossils, paleontology, parasites, parasitology, genetics, inheritance, morphology, interpretation of structure, anatomy, gross structure, ecology, relationship with environment. Now the next topic is applied bio, agriculture, apiculture, veterinary science, marine biology, household biology, horticulture, sericulture, pisciculture, molecular biology, biotechnology. Agriculture, raising crop and livelihood like cow, buffalo. Apiculture means practice of keeping bees, for the manufacture of honey and beeswax. Veterinary science, treatment and surgery of animals. Marine bio, study of life in the sea. Household bio, study of household animals. Horticulture, science and art of growing fruit, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants. Sericulture means the technique of producing silk by silkworm, raising silkworms. Pisciculture, technique of growing fish. Molecular biology, in the terms of molecules in the cell. Interpreting biological events in the terms of molecules in the cell. Biotechnology, the use of living cells or microorganisms in industry and technology, like food processing, genetic engineering, antibiotic production. Cloning, bioengineering, nuclear biology, space biology, exobiology, genomics, bioinformatics, biometrics. Cloning, rapidly advancing branch of biotechnology. It is a process of producing identical individual of an organism, either naturally or artificially. Several animals have been cloned in which a body cell is used with no involvement of male sperms. Bioengineering includes techniques like making artificial limbs, joints and other part of the body from metal or plastics. Nuclear biology, the study of effect of radioactivity. Space bio, the study of survival problems of living things in outer space. Exobiology, one of the newest sciences. This is the newest science which contemplates to study life elsewhere in the universe. Genomics, the study of genomes. Bioinformatics, management and analysis of biological information stored in databases. Biometrics, the verification of a person by his body features such as fingerprints, a pattern of iris in the eye. The study of bio helps us in many ways, like appreciation in nature, keeping healthy, conservation of natural resources, growing more food, making us conscious citizens, and biology is necessary for certain careers, like one may choose to be a doctor, dentist, bacteriologist, pathologist, druggist, entomologist, forester, teacher, veterinary doctor, biotechnologist and so on. So biology is the study of living beings. Biology has slowly grown through the ages but very fast in the 20th century and is showing signs of even faster growth in the 21st century. Biology has numerous branches: zoology, botany, microbiology, cytology, ecology, genetics, etc. Biology is a basic science required for pursuing several professional courses such as medicine, agriculture, pharmacology, etc. The study of biology helps in many ways: appreciation of nature, keeping people healthy, growing more food, tackling of population and pollution problem. Thanks for watching the video.